Good morning, Instagram TV. This is disappointing because I only found out about Instagram TV last night. I was on the phone to Nalri and she was like, look at this little thing in the corner. It's called Instagram TV. So I'm a little bit late to the game. I decided to check it out this morning because last night I was absolutely smashed. I was super tired from work. I finished at about 8 o'clock at night and then I watched a bit of a movie, actually one that she recommended. It was pretty cool, but I haven't finished watching it yet, so I'll get to that when I have some free time. But basically I was super disappointed about Instagram TV, and here's why. I opened it up, I was scrolling through pretty much all of the guys that I follow on YouTube, and I was finding the same content on YouTube on Instagram TV. So people are just taking the content they created on YouTube and then just uploading it onto Instagram TV. And I really don't think that that's why this exists. Let's make Instagram TV different. I think people want a kind of raw, unpolished product. And that's why we go to YouTube. I think TV is completely dead. YouTube is definitely taking over. And I think that's why vlogging and vloggers have become super famous, because people want raw reality TV footage. And they're getting that to a certain extent. Instagram TV needs to be unfiltered, unedited, straight up. And I think that's what YouTube is falling short on. Even when people are vlogging daily, so they're putting out daily videos, they are staying up until whatever time at night every single day to edit and polish that video. So we're kind of getting that, we're kind of scratching that itch a little bit, but that itch is not going away. And that's why people keep coming back to YouTube, because anyone can upload to YouTube. So it's really exciting. But I still think that we're following the people on YouTube for reasons that we were following people on a TV space. So we get that nice editing, we get that nice look, we get that really good sound quality, but that excludes a lot of people. It's really expensive to buy a camera. I bought a camera recently. It's expensive. It's expensive to buy fancy video editing software. It's a lot of time to put that together. And that excludes a lot of people. I think Instagram TV, because it's this vertical shot, needs to be from your phone. Everyone that has on Instagram has a smartphone. Everyone can potentially be a content creator. And I think that's what we need to do, but we need to do it together, guys. We're not going to be able to achieve this by ourselves, because at the moment, Instagram TV is very new, but everyone who, 95% of the videos I saw are taking their YouTube video and they're just uploading it onto Instagram TV. And that's not what this is about. Not in my opinion, at least. And this is a kind of call to action for other people to do exactly the same thing. For those people that want to get their message out there, but they feel like it's too hard, the barrier of entry is too hard. Either they don't have the money to buy a camera, or they're very intimidated by learning how to edit and doing all these post-production things that I have no idea about either. But I'm learning about, because I want to be on YouTube, but I also want to be on Instagram Live, Instagram TV. I'm still getting this all right. So I want this to be a space where people are not intimidated to upload raw footage. And that's why I'm sitting here as I woke up this morning. I didn't even take the liberty of splashing water on my face or fixing whatever hair situation I have going on now. I literally found Instagram TV. I was in bed. I started watching things, very disappointed. And what I wanted to do, immediately something inside me said I should make a movement and do this completely raw. So I got out of bed. This is how I look when I put this on. I put these pants on. But this is me sitting in my bedroom, making a video for Instagram TV, my first video ever, in a space where I feel like everyone can relate to it. I'm just holding my phone in front of me. There's no fancy equipment. There's going to be no editing. I'm not even going to re-watch this video before I upload it, because I want to get the message across that yes, you can do that fancy stuff on YouTube, and yes, everyone can be their own like director and producer and whatever of their own TV show or their own TV series. But let's make this space from the beginning somewhere that no one gives a shit about all of that. Let's just have our phones that everyone has, so there's no excuses. So if anyone is like, oh, I really wanted to get my message or my story out there, but I just couldn't because blah, 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 whatever excuse comes after that, let's just throw that in the dustbin and be like, let's make videos from our phones. If you're on Instagram, you have a phone. If you're on a phone on Instagram, a smartphone, you have a camera, and your camera has a microphone in it. So what's the excuse? If you're on Instagram watching someone's videos and you're like, I want to be like them, let's be like them. Let's do the thing that you always wanted to do and share whatever you want to share. So I'm just going to share what I'm doing today, in my day. It is Thursday. I think it's the 28th of June. So I'm uploading this video the day that I recorded or shoot it, or whatever you want to call it. I'm just holding my phone. I'm in my room. This is what my room looks like first thing in the morning. Unmade bed. Food from last night. Yes, I'm very guilty of eating and watching videos, and I watch YouTube videos. There's some boxes on the floor, my dirty laundry of shoes that I bought the other day. But today I'm going to do some more video editing for the podcast that Movement Crew Lifestyle and I shot. I am going to Toastmasters later, so bless the president of my club's soul. She phoned me yesterday and she's like, we need you to say a speech in order to become President's Select, which is like a status in Toastmasters. They give you certain goals. So they need me to speak tonight. So I'm like, cool, I'm going to throw together a speech today. And yeah, that's how I learned how to just communicate better. I just practiced it, and I was never always good at speaking or talking about myself. I was actually terrified of it. So if a lot of you think, oh, you've seen Neil's YouTube channel that he started recently, like, oh, that's just natural for Neil. It's so not natural for me. Like for me, I was scared at school to read out loud, like just read things out loud, because I'm so hard on myself and I'm such a perfectionist. I didn't want to read out loud in class because I was scared I was going to get something wrong and then I was going to look stupid. That's how much I cared about how much I cared about what people thought of me. So this video is a call out to no excuses. Let's just get some raw footage of actual reality, as close to reality TV as we can get. And then to go back to, because I was completely squirreled and I'm so ADHD like that, I'm doing a speech tonight, so that's what I'm doing in my day. The theme of this video is what I'm doing today. Video editing. I've got a new client. Happy birthday, Bianca. It's my new online client, Bianca Carlsey. Oh shit, I forgot she told me how to pronounce her surname. It's her birthday today, and we're starting online fitness training together. So happy birthday, and I'm going to start working on your program, so your exercise plan and your eating plan today. I will see if I can contact you. Hopefully you've uploaded your video or your starting photos and your body stats, so we know where we're starting off at. #goals. Anyway, that's me. That's what I'm doing today. This is what I think Instagram TV needs to be, and I'm going to upload this video now.